Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I posted a video, or the other day, depending on when I post this. I did a tutorial with the W3ll People Nudist 1 palette, and that is the more brown toned neutral palette here. But today I'm going to do a look, obviously I'm wearing it now, with the Nudist 2. So this is more of like the pink and gray tones. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to get into the tutorial with the W3ll People Nudist 2 eyeshadow palette. So again, this is the one that's more like pink toned and gray toned. So not my normal, but I think it's really pretty. And also I like to mix sometimes like the pink shades with the brown palette. But yeah, for today, I'm just going to use this lightest shade all over my lid. You can use it all the way up to like your brow bone because it is light enough to be kind of like a highlight shade. And this one is more matte. It's kind of exactly the same as the other one. So it goes matte, shimmer, matte, shimmer, matte. But again, just like the other palette, there is some kickback with these, but they are beautiful. They're very pigmented, they blend well, and they wear well. So yeah, I definitely recommend these palettes. Okay, so now that I have that all over, let me brighten that a little bit so you can see better. I'm gonna go in with the second shade, and that one is called Aura. And this, I'm gonna put this one again just in the center of my eye a little bit more because it has that sheen to it, and that just kind of makes your eye pop. Again, you don't have to do this how I am, working from like lightest to darkest. You could do just like a smoky look with the gray ones, whatever you prefer, but I'm just doing this because it's easy for me. I'm gonna go in with this matte gray shade through the crease. I don't know why, but I feel so weird when I wear like grays and cool tones. But we'll see how I feel about this. Do you guys like cool toned palettes or warm toned? Again, you just want like little windshield wiper motions throughout your crease, and then little like circular buffing motions. Just making sure everything is really blended so you don't have anything super harsh or choppy. Okay, so that's a nice shade. I'm liking it actually so far. And then I'm gonna go in with this shimmering kind of gunmetal gray, second to last, and just focus it more on the outer half. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this little smaller brush and do the matte darkest gray, and that'll be on the very outer corner. Just kind of placing that. And then I'm gonna take a mixture, these two lighter shades, bring it down, but lightly because I have the dark color on here. I don't want it too smoky. And then I'll take this fluffy brush again and blend. I'm trying to keep the darkness more here, but just making sure there's no weird lines again, that's the key. I just kind of want everything looking airbrushed. Bring it through. So if you can see how that's looking. And then I feel like I lost kind of my pink, so I'm gonna go in with this shimmering shade and just kind of stamp it here. And then again, just with the fluffy brush to make sure it looks blended. And then I'll take this little flat liner brush and get it wet, and then go in with that deepest gray shade again and just do a little liner on this outer half. Okay, so that is the finished shadow look. I'm gonna do my mascara and then I will come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm back with my mascara done and a lipstick on, and so this is what it looks like. But I actually really like it, and may start wearing some more cool toned eyeshadows. Might have been, I don't know, might be a believer now. No, but I just feel different, but I like it. I think it's really pretty. But yeah, definitely check this palette out if you like cool tones, or if you're interested in trying some more cool tone shadows just to switch it up a little bit. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. If you have any questions about the palette or anything else, let me know. I will also leave all my other makeup in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.